In the book of Genesis, chapter 1, God created male and female humans on the final day of creation. Genesis 1 verse 27 says, "So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them." In Genesis 2, Adam was formed by God from the soil, and God breathed life into him. Adam was given the task of looking after the Garden of Eden, and he was instructed not to eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God created Eve from Adam's rib. Eve was the first woman and was to be the companion to Adam. The intention was that they would live in a close relationship with God. Christians who take a literal interpretation of the Bible believe that this story is literally true and that the entire human race has descended from Adam and Eve. However, liberal Christians would focus more on the message that comes from this story. They would say that it's not meant to be a scientific account, but is designed to show that humans are created in God's image to take care of the world. In 1859, the scientist Charles Darwin published a book called The Origin of the Species by Means of Natural Selection. In this, he explained the theory of evolution. This is the idea that over a long period of time we have changed into other species to survive. The notion of the survival of the fittest was the idea that species passed on their most favourable genes to their offspring and consequently survived the ever-changing world. Individuals from the same species can still be quite different from one another because of the genes they inherit from their ancestors. Some individuals have certain genes that increase the chance of survival. This means they're more likely to breed successfully and pass their favourable genes on to their offspring. According to the theory of evolution, humans have evolved over millions of years from other animals on the land. Scientists have discovered bones from several different extinct species which they claim are possible ancestors to the human race. Humans are thought to have started evolving about 2.5 million years ago and developed into humans with the same anatomy as us about 200,000 years ago. Atheists accept the theory of evolution because they think it best explains how life develops on Earth. Fundamentalist Christians, however, believe that the origin of life was exactly as recorded in Genesis, with God creating each species separately. They take a literal interpretation of the biblical account. Some Christians, however, believe that God is the creator, but they also accept scientific theories such as the theory of evolution. They believe the Bible is more concerned with answering why it's happened, whereas scientists are more concerned with how it's happened. Some theologians will go as far as to say that evolution is how God designed life to advance.